Hello, it's Michelle again. This time we are looking at the eggplant. There is the eggplant flower that will hopefully grow an eggplant. And as you can see, I do have some get out of there, little eggplants that are growing, which is so exciting. But we learned that, again, you have to pollinate the eggplant flowers so that they will turn into eggplants. So Thomas had looked at a video, and the video directed us to take a Q-tip and kind of go into the center. You can take your finger too. Just make sure there isn't a bumblebee hanging out in there because you're going to get stung. And you just kind of go into the inside and kind of just give it a little tickle. And hopefully that will turn into an eggplant. I'm trying to see. I have a whole bunch of these nice little eggplants growing, which is so exciting. And we planted a lot of marigolds, so I'm hoping that the bees are doing their job and pollinating. I see another little purple flower, and I'm going to give it a little pollination. There we go. Something as simple as this, and the rewards are so amazing because it is so nice to have these eggplants growing. I see some, oh, there's another little flower. I see some that are growing behind here. Like I said earlier, we are on probably one of the worst pieces of property you could ever imagine. We're on a rock cliff. My tomato plants are at their end. I tried doing this hang-along thing, and that didn't quite work out this season, so I'm gonna have to, oh, look at the bee! The bee's pollinating the eggplant. But I'm gonna have to try to work out a better system for supporting my tomatoes next year. They grew like well over 10 feet tall. I mean, those are 8-foot wood posts that I got from Home Depot at a really, really inexpensive price. But I had to kind of add them in there because everything just collapsed. You can see on this side as well, everything kind of just collapsed on itself. So I'm going to have to work on a better system for next year. I'll do some research and perhaps either hang them individually or figure out something. My pepper plant is finally producing little flowers. I don't know why it didn't thrive this year, but we're working on it. We did some square foot gardening, and we did get a lot of Swiss chard, lettuces, spinach. I have carrots growing in the back. I have some asparagus back there. But it's the end of the season, so everything's pretty much dying off, and but that's to be expected. Again, my tomato supports that didn't quite make it, and now it looks like the leaves are getting all moldy, so I'm gonna have to probably pull all those, and that'll be it for the season. We did produce a ton of tomatoes, and I'll tell you how we fertilized and planted and all that good stuff in another video. But here's to pollinating gagoots and eggplants, and have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.